Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday the 22nd of January, and this is question 1 of the answers to morning maths. 125. We start with 125. That's not working. Yes, it is. So we start with 125, add 61. So 120 add 125 add 60 is going to be 185, 185, and one more is 186. Okay, the next question is 148. So 148 at 60 will be 208, but because we're adding 61, it becomes 209. 172. Well, if we add 60, then we get 232, but because we're adding 61, it's 233. The next one, the last one, 204. So 204 add 60 is 264. 264. But of course we're adding an extra one, so it becomes 265. Okay, question 2. Take 81 from these. Now, if you remember, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 217, take away 80. So 217, so 207, 197, 187, 177, 167, 157, 147, and 137. So therefore, 3, this will be 137, but we're taking away another 1, so therefore it's 136. So 136 goes there. 457, 447, 37, 27, 407, 397, 387, 377, and 367. So something's wrong there. 67. No, let's try that again. 457. Take away 10 is 447, 37, 27, 17, 407, 397, 387, 377. That's better. 377, but don't forget we're taking away an extra 1, so therefore it becomes 376. 566. So take away, don't forget these are in tens, so 566. So 556, 46, 36, 26, 16, 6, 496, 486. So 4, 8. Now the next digit would be a 6, but don't forget we're taking away an extra 1, so therefore the digit is a 5. And then finally 695. Well, this is a bit easier. 695 take away 80 is 615, so 6, 1. Now this would be a 5, but take away an extra 1, this becomes a 4. Okay, so those are the answers, but please do use the dots if you are struggling with taking away 10. Okay, next we've got the number line with the arrow. So this is 14 and this is 30. Now, what's the difference between 14 and 30? That's the first question, and hopefully you're coming up with the answer of 16. So half of the difference would be 8. So that means that between 14 and this little red line is 8. So 14 add 8 is 22. And that also means that 22 add 8 equals 30, and it does, so therefore we're correct about that. So if, this is interesting, so if this is 14, then this must be 14 take away 8, which is 6, and this must be 6 take away 8, which is minus 2. Right. If the gap between this and this is 8, then half of the gap must be 4. So therefore you could either do 6 take away 4, which would be 2, or you could do -2 take away add 4, which of course is still 2. So the answer is 2 for the arrow. Okay, welcome back. Here we go. 6 take away 7. Now 6 take away 7 we can't do, as you'd expect. So therefore, can we exchange with this one? No. Can we exchange with this column? No. Can we exchange with this column? Yes, we can. So if we've got 2,000 and we give one away, therefore we're going to be left with 1,000 here. And if we give one away to here, then we put that one just there. This now means that we've got 10 in the hundreds column, so we'll put an H there. Okay, now what we can now do is we can say is that the hundreds column can give one of theirs to the tens column. So instead of having 10, we're now going to be left with 9 in the hundreds column, and we put 1 just there. So now in the tens column we've got a 1 and a 0. That makes 10, obviously. So 10 tens are 100. So therefore we've got 100, we've got 10 in that tens column. So now we can exchange with the tens and the ones column. So let's cross that off, and let's put a 9 just there, and I put a 1 there. So we've got now 1 and a 6. So 1 and 6 is 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. 16 take away 7 is 9. There we go. And then 9 take away 9 is of course 0. And then 9 take away 1 is 8. And then 1 take away nothing is of course 1. So we've got 1,809, which is about 1,800. 197, that's about 200. So 1,800 plus 200 is about 2,000. So that's fine. We're okay with that. And here we are with question number 5. Calculate 6 centimeters, take away 305 millimeters. Now 6, did I say 6 or 60? Anyway, 60 centimeters. Well, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. All right, so that looks a bit weird. So therefore 6 centimeters equals 60, and 60 centimeters equals 600 millimeters. So we've got 600 millimeters. So now at 600 take away 305. You should be able to do this in your head now, because what you do is you do it in steps. Okay, you write the answer down, then you cross it out, and you write the second answer down, and that's it. 600, first of all, we'll take away 300, then we'll take away the extra 5. So 600 take away 300 is 300. If you don't know that, then you're in the wrong class. You belong in year 2, I'm afraid. Okay, so 300, but we're taking away another 5. So we've taken away the 300. Now we need to take away the 5. So 300 take away 5 is 295. If you don't know that, then you belong in year 3, I'm afraid. So cross that off, because that's not the answer. This is the answer we're looking at, 295. Okay, and the final question, we have got a shape. We've got a rectilinear shape, which means it's based on rectangles. Shall I draw a dotted line there? Yep, look at that, that's a rectangle. Or of course you could draw a dotted line down there, and that's a rectangle as well. But that's nothing to do with the lesson, so let's get rid of that. Now the unknown line is this one down here once again, and therefore we need horizontal lines to help us with this. The 2 horizontal lines which are available are those 2. This line here comes down here, this line comes down here, and this line comes down here. Okie dokie. Now this line, I'm going to put a little line there so that we know. Right, this line is 7 centimeters or millimeters or meters or miles or whatever. So this is 7 long, and this is 9 long. 9, 9, 9. So therefore this question mark one must be 16. 7 add 9 equals 16. So we can cross that out, and we can put a 16 just there. And now we are ready to rumble. I'm going to start over here just because I can. And just to remind you that the perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape, but it doesn't matter where you start. Okay, let's just think. I'm going to go this way. So 5. Okay, 5 add 16 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's counting on your fingers. So 21. 21 add 12 is, well, 21 add 10 is 31, add another 2 is 33. Oh, this is good. 33 add 7 is 40. 40 add 7 is 47. And then 47 add 9 is 56. 47 add 9 is 56. Yep, that's correct. So I'm going to put the answer there. But then what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap pens, get a blue pen, and this time I'm going to start somewhere completely different and add the numbers up. So 12 add 7 is 19, and 7 more is 26. 26 add 9 is 45. 26 add 9 is 35. 35 add 5 is 40, and 40 add 16 is 56. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See ya. Bye bye.